In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to crypto.com. So if you want to do this, then please follow this video until the end. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open our crypto.com app and then we're going to click on deposit. So let's go and click on this and then select down below that we want to deposit crypto. So click on this and then we need to select the cryptocurrency that we are about to transfer. So go ahead and enter something that you currently have in your account. I'm going to select Ethereum, so I'm going to click on this, and then in here I need to select the network. So it's really important that the network you select is the same network as on your Robinhood wallet, because otherwise your crypto might get lost. So anyway, go ahead and copy this wallet address to your clipboard, and down below you can see the estimated arrival time, and that is around 8 minutes. So now we're going back to our Robinhood app. And from your Robinhood app, you're going to click on send. So let's click on send, then select the crypto that you're about to send. And in my case, that is Ethereum. So click on this, and then you need to enter the wallet address of your crypto.com. So go ahead and click on enter wallet address, then paste it in. So now click on allow paste and then click on continue. And once you do that, you can enter the amount that you want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer $1. I'm going to click on review. And then when I click on submit down below, I will finalize this transfer. So just click on this, and that is basically how you transfer crypto from Robinhood to crypto.com. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.